So looking Toyota Prado today with 2008 Toyota Prado stock on the 7202. It's ran from 11 2006 to the 10th 2009. Is a 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with 5-speed transmission. This is a 1KD FTV 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch 50mm tyre. Taillight has sun cracks. Tailgate. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch 50mm tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door less lower door mould. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch 50mm tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Steering mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-speed leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.